how to use Wix automation rules. So let's scroll down first and click on this automations. Now, once we have clicked on this right here onto our dashboard, we should be able to see what it looks like right here. So they also have some suggestions of automations like increasing sales, thank you letters, and also a lot. So for this one, let's click on this new automation in order to create one, and then just choose which automation you want. Like for example, we have in here this sell more online, engage with clients, retain customers, or get paid on time. So for example, let's choose in here this engage with clients. And then for this one, let's head over and then get feedback from customer. Click on this setup. And then from in here, it will show you this particular automation in the making in here. So we have in here this when as well as delay and also this send an email. So you can head over and then you can also add another condition if you want. But if that's what you want as well, you can see this what it looks like. And you can also edit it out according to your liking. You can send an email right here. And here's the sender details and what this template includes. So you can also switch template or edit it to your liking, but you can also just customize it as well to your brand, or you can just choose the pre-made template they have. From in there, just click on this activate, and then from in there, they should be able to activate onto your shop. So that's how you use Wix automation rules. Hope we help.